Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. What's good? What's poppin'? So we're gonna get into this protective style. I'm starting on dirty old twist style. I washed my hair with my Aussie Moist Total Miracle and my 3-Minute Miracle, and I went ahead and sectioned my hair in rubber bands. I've done this process before in my other braiding videos. I will link above, but I just pretty much rubber band my hair, as much of the hair as I can grip. And this is the hair I will be using. It is one pack enough, has 105 pieces, and it has a 9, 10, 11 inch. It's by Zuri, and I'm using edge control on edge control, which is really good. So I already started my hair, and this is how it's looking so far. Coming out pretty good, y'all. So I'm gonna show you guys how I actually do it. I have these two pieces I'm going to demonstrate. First things first, I usually just go ahead and wet my hair down a little bit. I think I have a squirt of conditioner in here. I just do not remember, but some way, somehow, my hair is super moist from this water, or it looks like it has foam or something in it. I don't remember if I had conditioner, but whatever. Either way it goes, I just wanted my hair to still be kind of wet and damp as if I will do a normal twist out. So I ran out of that little on edge control, which is what I was using, so I'm just using my other edge control I have here, and I just apply the edge control to the whole piece from top to bottom. I make sure I have all my ends and everything, and then I go ahead and take the hair and I unravel the hair because it already comes twists. I didn't want to get the pre-wavy hair. I wanted to make sure the hair can twist in all the right direction. So I just unravel the twist, and it is super easy to unravel. It does not create too much frizz. I'm in love with this hair. I will definitely be using it again. That's my opinion. But I unravel it. It's like they have it in a 3-strand twist type of situation, which is really cool. So I go ahead and take my latch hook, my crochet hook, crochet underneath the rubber band, and attach the hair to the rubber band, through the crochet hook, and then pull it through like, you know, the normal crochet vibes. Okay guys, so whenever I pull everything apart, what I pretty much do is kind of tighten my rubber band up some and start to section my hair into 2 pieces straight down the middle. You can tell my hair kind of has the pattern a little bit of the hair, which is good because it will blend really nicely. So I just go ahead and twist my hair up like I would normally twist my hair, as if I was doing a 2-strand twist for a twist out. Like literally just twist it, and I usually apply extra edge control just to make sure all the hair is smooth and it is secure. But I just go ahead and twist. If you guys want to twist while you're twisting, you could do that too, but I just try to go ahead and make everything smooth and just twist my hair like I would do a normal twist out. I just do it super tight. And any extra pieces, I would add edge control to them that are sticking out and just roll it and twist it around the hair. So it is super easy. I will show you guys again so you know exactly how I do it. So keep watching if you're interested. So now that I'm done, y'all, I'm just going ahead and use some Got To Be glue spray. I thought that the fact that it would hold your wig, sis, I'm thinking like, listen, it's gonna hold this hair together, okay? So I was like, let's just go ahead and spray it on it. It is a hairspray, so why not? And just went ahead and sprayed it onto my braids, and it looks really good. I'm really satisfied. All of this was under 30, sis, like, period. Now, look at the end results and tell me what you guys think down below. I would love to know. So kisses from me to you. Bye, guys.